Alright guys, welcome back again. In this particular video, we will be looking at gold chart. What is gold giving us presently, and what we should be expecting from gold next. Alright, now a quick one. We're on our weekly time frame now, but you know how we do it here. We'll do a proper top-down analysis to know where the direction of the market in the next coming months. So first is that we head over to our monthly time frame. We head over to monthly time frame to read what we call candlestick pattern, to check candlestick pattern, because we need to know what is happening on the bigger boy time frame. So monthly is considered as the big boy time frame. So first we've come to the monthly time frame, and we can see that we have this after bullish run, we have this particular long bearish candle that engulf this particular bullish candle. Then we now came here, we now started having exhaustion candle, weak candle, weak candle. Unlike this particular bullish engulfing candle. If gold is if gold wants to rally significantly to the downside, we need to be having a long bearish candle, a long bearish candle. But instead we're having this particular weak candle, weak candle, weak candle. So now this is a sign that gold is getting weaker in coming down. So now we've gotten a little bit information that we need. We've gotten that gold is getting weaker, and this particular zone where gold is currently now is on a demand zone on daily. I will also show you that demand zone on daily. So let's quickly head over to our weekly. Now weekly we'll come to check for any chart pattern, but currently what I'm seeing on gold now, there is no significant chart pattern on gold. So now what we have to do is now let me quickly pinpoint this particular zone for you guys so that you can be able to understand why gold is reacting to this particular zone here. Check this particular zone here. This was a demand zone gold left, and currently now the market is still reacting to this particular demand zone. So we are waiting for gold on this particular demand zone. This is the last demand zone gold left. The moment it broke this particular high to the upside, the moment he broke this particular high to the upside, he left a demand zone, and market has come to retest this particular zone here, retest this particular break. This is a resistance. The market has come to retest, and a resistance and a demand zone. The market did double work here. He come and feel this particular resistance, and he also feel this particular demand zone here. So and the market rallied. The market came back here again, and e give us a weak candle here, which is doji, and the market rallied again, but not significantly. The market stop somewhere here now, and the market shoot down again. So now what we are waiting for now on gold is, let's see a reaction of gold on this particular demand zone here. A reaction of gold is what we are looking for. Are we going to continue buying to the upside, or we will continue bearish? For me, I think I will be waiting patiently on daily to see what gold we do next. So let me quickly switch over to daily and check. So now we are on daily. Let me quickly go back to weekly first and check if I have way to pull out my fib zone. Let's say let's check if Fibonacci zone will work here. Fib zone from swing low here, from swing low to swing high. Let's check if Fibonacci will work here to swing high here. You can also see that 0.618 is also the same demand zone where gold is currently reacting to. Gold has surpassed 0.5, which is fib golden zone. It has also surpassed it is currently in 0.618, which is considered the most accurate fib zone. 0.5 and 0.618 are considered the most accurate. So gold is currently on that particular zone here. If you check, is there a way to draw a trend line? There is no way to draw a trend line currently now. So let's quickly delete fib zone. We've gotten the information we needed from Fibonacci. We've known that gold is sitting on 0.618. Then we'll go over to daily. You can see that daily now, this is the demand zone. It is obvious on daily. This is the demand zone where gold left, and gold has came back to fill it. Then he did what we call a stop loss run by coming to retest this particular resistance zone, which we saw on the weekly time frame. Then now gold is sitting pretty well on this particular zone. What we have to do next is just keep your analysis simple. We have this our first touch here, our first touch, second touch. I know this may be a little bit somehow, because for day traders they are buying on 1 minute, 5 minutes, but you cannot afford to do that because those guys they have a lot of money. They can be buying and selling. They can afford to lose any amount of money, so they can afford to do anyhow they like with gold. But people like us, you dare not fight. You have to wait for a proper analysis before you can play along. So that is the difference between us and those guys. So I don't want to call name. You know them. So what I'll be waiting for now on gold is if gold can be able to close above this particular, surpass this trend line and close above it, retest, that means we'll be going for another bullish run on gold, which our next target will be here. Personally, I will be taking the trade if every setup align. If gold can give us this particular setup and give us, when we got here, gold give us a chart pattern. I love chart pattern a lot. When we got here too, e give us another chart pattern here. We got here, e give us a chart pattern. So let us also wait for another chart pattern on gold for us to go long. Just as simple as that. No complicated something here. Always look left. Look how market has reacted from the left hand side. First, e gave us this. Second, e gave us this. Now wait for the same thing to occur again on this particular zone here. If that happen, that means we will be going bullish. But if gold now comes and give us something like this, maybe break below here, then close, then come back and retest, that this our analysis now is now void. Then this analysis now is no longer valid again. So we will now have to come and do another analysis on gold. So but if gold, you know that when e got here, e didn't close, e came with a wick. E wicked out all the whole stop losses and rallied up. Then when e came here also, e just give us a morning star formation and e rallied up. So the same thing now, we are also expecting the gold to do the same thing on this particular zone on the third time. So this is what we'll be waiting for on gold. If you go over to 4 hours, it will be noisy on 4 hours. It will be okay. Okay, let's see if we can. You can see that 4 hours is still pointing down. So we'll be waiting for a clear direction, a clear change of trend for us to buy. But if gold now do otherwise, that means we will come and redo our analysis. So this is a simple analysis I want to show you guys for those who love trading gold, because me myself, I've not been trading gold lately, but I want to start trading gold again. So for those who love trading gold, this is just a simple analysis we should be keeping our eyes on. Please don't join those who are trading on 5 minutes, 1 minute, because most of you guys may not have the fun to do that, and gold is very dangerous. Gold is like Bitcoin. Gold can wipe out your account of $100 in a minute, and it can also give you such amount in a minute also. So you have to have a backup fund before you can play with gold. With that being said, please, I remain your boy, the Legend FS Academy. Please, if you like the way I teach, give me a thumbs up, and if you don't also like it, give me a dislike. But tell me in the comment box below what to do to improve in my next video. As you all know, nobody knows it all. I'm here to learn. You're here to learn. You learn from me and learn from you until we attain the level I call the CPT level, and that is the ultimate goal for each and every trader. Bye for now. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come back again with another super educative video. Bye for now, and keep it super simple.